One simple and easy way to promote a video with Builderall.
I got some. I got some. I got some. I got some. I got.
What's up, world? This your boy Seuss Villano, and in this video, I'm gonna show you guys really quickly how easy it is to promote a video with Builderall. Now, I know sometimes you guys get on social media and the first thing you do is you just share like a YouTube link or you forward them to the page where it came from. Well, I'm gonna show you guys a cool tool that is very easy to use, and the moment you do, you will start to send people to where you want to go. Now, this tool is called Video Tag Tool. So let me scroll down and find it. And if you don't have it on your dashboard, you might have to click the plus button to install more tools. But I have it right here. You can customize your videos by adding image tags with actions such as call, email, and visit websites. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter. And there's training videos right there available if you need it. But I was actually going to post a video today, and I said, you know what, let me go ahead and use the video tag. And then I said, let me go ahead and record a video on how to do so. So once you tap video tag tool, it'll bring you to this page. Now, I highly suggest you do this on a computer. You'll see everything more clear, but I've done this so many times, as you can see, that I know how to do it from my phone. So I'll show you that there is a way to do it from the phone. So the top left-hand corner, you'll get the button add. Go ahead and tap that. And then you just give your project a name. And then you can choose to upload the video from your computer or YouTube. Now, this is what I like because I'm somebody who will find a good video. I found my good video right there. And then I can choose to add. So once I add, it puts my video right there at the bottom. So if you have a video on YouTube that explains your opportunity or your product or service, easy way to get them to watch the video and then go to your page. So I'll go ahead and use, for this example, of one that I'm setting up, smart contracts. I'm going to tap the edit button and it's going to bring me to this page. Now, here's the video I found on YouTube. I'll turn my page. I'm sorry, I'll keep it this way. I don't want to confuse you guys. But here's the video that I downloaded on YouTube. Now, on the right-hand side, you'll see call, email, website, or no. So I can add a call button that anytime in the video I want, it'll pop up and they press it, it'll call my phone. I can put an email button that anytime it pops up in the video, they can email me. Or I can put a website, which is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to tap on website, and I very quickly just got done going online to find a cool start button. So if you guys want a start button, shoot me a message. But I found the start button, and I'm going to upload that there. And I'm going to put the simple words, start now. And then I'm going to put the link to whatever my opportunity is, whatever I'm promoting, whatever I want them to see. Because see, what happens is when people watch videos, they get caught up in all the static. They don't even know where to go next. But if you can have a button that pops up in the video, and as you're seeing, time and start, whatever you wanted to start, you are in the game. So I know this video is 18 minutes long. So what is 18 minutes times 60 seconds? Because I think this thing does it in 60 seconds. So let me do some quick numbers in my head. I know that 20 times 60 is 1, 2. So it's probably 1,200. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this right. 12,000. I think it's 12,000 seconds. So now you can set the time anytime you want. Whenever you set the time for it to start, that's when this button will pop up. And actually, because I want it to start in the beginning, I'll show you guys the button. Because some people, you know what? Some people may 15 seconds. I'll do 15 seconds. Some people may want to see it right there. So I'll do that. And the first thing I'm going to do is click save. So I'll save this. It's saved. I can share it, or I can click the embed button. Now, I'm going to tell you to click the embed button, and you can choose to embed your video and allow to display only on one domain, which forces them to watch the video on that allowed domain, or you can use a simple way to autoplay, right? Which is copy this link right here. You can copy it to clipboard, or you can choose to embed it in one of your pages. But I'm going to copy it. And once I copy this, I can just start sharing it. So I'll go out and let me show you. Bring this up. Bring my browser. If you look, a way to remove backgrounds, if you guys want to know, is remove.bg. But all right, so now here's my video. Now I'll play my video. Oh, it may not play because I'm recording. But what you guys, oh, there it is. Yeah, so what you will see is my button is going to pop up. Now, I didn't get a chance to resize this. You will have to definitely resize your icon because it's going to pop up. And then you can drag and drop it and put it anywhere on the screen that you want. Now you see, look at my button. Now really, when this is all said and done, I'm going to put this button at the end of this video at the right time. So when they're done watching this, all they simply do is press the start now button, and it takes them straight to my opportunity. Now, guys, I don't know how easier it can get. If you're sharing videos online, you might as well share it with your tag in it so it can take them to wherever you want to go. And you don't need to be on YouTube to do that. So check it out, the video tag tool, watch the training videos. If you have any questions, get back with me. But this is definitely a secret ninja hack. See you at the top.